Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Devika Bhatnagar's spoken English classes. Today I am going to share with you few words which we have a lot of confusion. Most of the time we are using a lot of words. These words we do not have much meaning. We don't have much sense how to use it. Confused. So such kind of words I am going to share with you. You will have a clarity about using these adverbs. Now first we'll see the first one is that always. We generally use always. I always do the things like this. Always means its accuracy is 100%. 100% you are sure always I drink plenty of water. I always. Always means 100% surety. For that purpose I am taking one sentence. I always wash my face and hands thoroughly after coming from outside. I always wash my hands and face thoroughly after coming from outside. Always, regularly, because it's corona period, we are doing it. So always we can use it 100% when you are sure. Second one, usually. Usually means that you can take it as 90%. 90% but not 100%. Usually, how we can use it? For example, I usually have a glass of golden milk after breakfast. I usually have glass of golden milk after breakfast. Usually. Sometimes I may miss, but 90% I drink. So this we are using usually. Next one, normally or generally. Normally or generally. This occurrence, this usage is 80%. 80% I do this work. For that we'll use normally or generally. For example, what time do you start from home to college normally? 100% you can't start at exactly so and so time. Normally, at what time? What time do you start from home to college normally? Means normally it is, normally or generally also you can use, both are same words. 80% it's happening. So it's occurrence. And in the same way, next one, often, frequently. This word also we generally use, oftenly, frequently. So for that, this occurrence is 70%, possibility is 70%. Example we are taking, I often listen to radio before going to bed. I listen to radio, but I often listen to the radio before bed. Means that is 70% I listen, oftenly, okay, or frequently. Next, sometimes. Sometimes I go, sometimes I do this work, sometimes. That is, assurance is here 50%. 50% is possible, the possibility is 50%. So example I am taking here, sometimes I watch horror or thriller movies. Sometimes I watch horror thriller movies, rest of the time I don't prefer. So like sometimes we can use. In the same way, next one, occasionally. Occasionally, that possibility is 30% only. Occasionally we celebrate parties. Occasionally we go to outside. Like occasional means 30%. Taking an example, we enjoy the outside food occasionally, not regularly. We enjoy the outside food occasionally. We go to movies occasionally. Okay, like occasionally, which we can use it. Next one, seldom. Very rarely. Seldom I drink coffee. It's very rarely I drink coffee. I don't like generally. If someone forces, seldom I drink coffee. Seldom I go to movies. Seldom I watch TV. So like seldom, that possibility is 10% only. So example I am taking, I seldom eat sweets. Generally I don't like sweets. I seldom eat sweets. 10% possibility is there to eat the sweets. Getting it? Next one, hardly, rarely. Hardly, very rarely, hardly. So that possibility is 1% or 2% only. I hardly goes to movies. I hardly go to movie. He hardly goes to movies. Like hardly. Let me share with you a small example. Once in an interview, interviewer asked the interviewee, how much you work hard? I hardly work, sir, he said. The interviewer shocked, I hardly work? He just asked the same question once again. Yes, sir, I hardly work. We all were laughing. I hardly work means I work 1% or 2% only. But the interviewee point of view, he means that I work hard. Hard, hardly. Difference is there, na? So hardly means very rarely. I hardly get tired. I hardly get tired. I hardly eat non-veg. Means very rarely. Okay? I hardly get tired. That you can say rarely or hardly. Both are same meaning. Are you getting it? I hardly. Okay? We hardly go to outside. We hardly watch movies. We hardly face problems. Hardly. Okay? Next, last one, never. Never means no, 0%, I am sure, not possible. So for that you will say never. Never in my life it happened like this. Never, I never face such kind of situations. I never want to lie. I never had such kind of problems in my life, like never. So last one which you can take, he never lies. He never lies. These are the occasionally what you use, most of the time we don't know, but you are using it. So that possibilities percentage is given to you always 100%, usually 90%, generally normally 80%, often frequently 70%, sometimes 50%, occasionally 30%, seldom 10%, hardly rarely 1%, and never 0%. Like this, you can you can pause the video and note down the contents. Hope the class is useful. If you like this class, definitely I am going to come out with lot of topics and lot of different variations I am going to come. Till then, practice well. In the description box, English grammar, spoken English related, communication, body language, group discussions, interview skills, lot of videos are there. Even job skills videos are there, like how to prepare resume and how to prepare the resume cover letter. Frequently asked questions, the like related to job skills playlist is also given. Please watch it and learn it. So keep smiling, keep shining. Good luck, take care.